Solve a problem using an inequality. Practice number 1. Solve this inequality. Tom wants to go bowling. The bowling alley charges $8 to rent the lane and $3.50 per game. How many games can Tom play if he has $25? Step number 1. Choose a variable for the unknown. The unknown is going to be how many games Tom can play. So for game, we can use G as our variable. Step number 2, write an inequality to solve the problem. For starters, the bowling alley charges $8 to rent the lane, so we'll have to start with $8. Plus, to rent the lane, it's going to be $3.50 multiplied by every game he plays. And we've decided the game is our variable, and that's going to be G. And this cost will have to be equal to or less than the total amount of money that Tom has. And that's going to be $25. Step number 3, combine like terms in the inequality. So we have 8 plus 3.5 times G. To remove the 8, we'll have to subtract 8. We therefore have to subtract 8 from the other side of the inequality as well. The plus 8 and minus 8 will cancel, leaving us with 3.5 times G. And that's going to be less than or equal to 25 minus 8, which is 17. Step 4, isolate the variable, and again the variable is G. $3.5 times G is less than or equal to 17. To remove the 3.5, we have to divide by 3.5. We therefore have to divide the other side by 3.5 as well. The times 3.5 and divided by 3.5 will cancel, leaving us with G. And 17 divided by 3.5 is going to be 4.86. The number of games has to be a whole number, as Tom can't play a partial number of games. He can't play 5 games as he doesn't have enough money, so we move down to the nearest whole game he can play, and that's going to be 4 games. So G is less than or equal to 4. Tom can play no more than 4 games if he has $25. Step number 5, graph the possible solutions. G is less than or equal to 4. We draw a shaded circle at each possible solution. Remember that he can only play whole games. So G can equal 4, so we'll start there. G can also be less than 4, but they have to be whole games, so G can be 3, G can be 2, G can be 1, or G can be 0.